So here we are on the MSC Bellissima, and we're going to take a look at a duplex suite. Now if you watched our other video, we've just shown you one of the royal suites. Now why I think this is better for families, come in and have a look and I'll show you why I think this is better than the royal suite, and this is a duplex suite, so come in and have a look. So here we have our main dining area, you have a lounge area and TV, but it has this particular duplex suite has 2 bathrooms, which is perfect if you have a family, and obviously you have the outside area that we'll have a look at, but let's have a look at the first of the 2 bathrooms. So bathroom number 1. Then we have the dressing area number 1. Again, perfect for families because you can put the children down here on the sofa bed. They've got their own bathroom and their own dressing area here. And then here you have your fully equipped area with TV, phone, minibar, everything that you need for a comfortable stay. This sofa turns into a double bed, which is perfect. You can also order breakfast here to have as a family. And this area really is something quite special. Amazing, right? Well, you don't just get 1 level, you get 2. Come up and have a look. So here is where you then get your second dressing area. Then your second bathroom. This duplex suite really is something quite special. So obviously you get the same double bed as you get in all of the rooms, no matter which room category you go for, but you don't get this amazing view. How fantastic is that? Now the first question that we asked when we came in here is, how do you draw the curtains? There is an electric button downstairs that you can draw your curtains of an evening. So within this area you're getting 2 very distinct spaces. You're also getting some wonderful views. You're getting 2 bathrooms, 2 dressing areas, your own private jacuzzi and sunbathing area. You've got 2 TVs, there's another one up here. You really are getting a very, very special space. And again, something I would highly recommend for families or large groups of people that are staying. So if you've got 2 teenagers, a set of 4 friends, it's perfect because you're getting that space that you all require in the evening when you're getting dressed. So I really hope that you've enjoyed the tour today. And again, if you have any questions at all in regards to cruising in general or cruising with MSC, then please do get in contact with us. If you are regular cruisers, then please do not fear. We can also help you maintain all of your cruise points that you receive along the way. So when you book with us, we can also make sure that you continue to gain your points and your reward system. Thank you for watching.